Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to add Amazon affiliate link on TikTok page. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I am on this reputable website, on this reputable article. So first of all, you just have to join the Amazon affiliate program if you haven't already, and then you have to find the product you want to promote and generate your link, and then you have to create a TikTok video and add your affiliate link. So unfortunately TikTok doesn't allow clickable links in video descriptions, but you can add the link to your bio or use a link in bio to like Linktree, and you can promote your TikTok video, share your video on other social media platforms, and you can also run Facebook or Instagram ads. So you just have to grab your Amazon affiliate link, go to linktree.com like this, and then you just have to claim your link here. So you can write TikTok affiliate or whatever you want, and then you can just set up this link and put your Amazon associate link behind this link, and then you can just put it in your TikTok bio, and this is how you put your Amazon affiliate link on your TikTok page. So if you found this video to be also guys, by the way, because we are using Linktree links, your links won't be blocked and you can use any affiliate link on your TikTok page. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.